Hello everyone, we are going to read one more topic from the radiology and I'm following White and Farrow 7th edition. So in the previous video we have read about developer. Now we are going to read about the developer replenish. So developer replenishers. So as we are using the developer solutions, both manually and automatic developer should be replenished with the fresh solutions, and this we have to do every morning. Matlab we have to do this daily. We have to do this every morning, that we have to replenish the old solution with the new one. So what are the standard unit? The standard unit for the daily replenishers are 8 ounce per gallon. 1 ounce is approximately 29.5 ml or 30 ml, and 1 gallon is approximately 3.6 liters approx. So the developer replenishes, first we have to do this daily. Every morning we have to do this. This is important that we have to do it daily. And the second thing is how much that we have to replenish daily. We have to add 8 ounce of a fresh developer per gallon. So for this we have to remove the old solution from the old developer solutions from the tank, and we have to add 8 ounce per gallon into that. But this all criteria is for when we are taking 30 periapical films or 5 panoramic films per day. This is for that. This is for those. This standard is for 30 periapical or 5 panoramic films. So this is about the developer replenishes. Now second is what we have to do after this. We have to rinse it. So after developing the film, what happened to the film? The film emulsion will swell. Okay, the film emulsion will swell or expand, and it becomes saturated with the developer. Now at this time, if the films are rinsed in the water, and the timing of rinse is 30 seconds, this timing is important, then we have to rinse the film for 30 seconds, and it should be continuous, gentle agitations. So we should wash the film for 30 seconds for continuous gentle agitations before they are placed into the fixer. So rinsing will dilute all the developer, and they slow the process, slow the developing process. So this is the role of rinsing, and it will remove all the activators. Those activators in the developer, what they will do, they will prevent these activators will prevent, and they will neutralize the acid from the fixer. So they will neutralize the acid from the fixer. So that is why rinsing is very important, because in developer we have activators, and these activators will neutralize the when we put in the fixers, because fixers has some acidifiers, so they will neutralize those acids. So this is the reason we are doing rinsing, and rinsing is mostly done in manual process, but it is not used mostly in automatic process. So this is about developer replenishes and rinsing. Now we are going to read about fixers. So what fixers do? As we already know, I have in previous video also have told you that fixers will remove the undeveloped silver halide crystals from the solution. So this is the main functions of this fixers. Fixers will remove the undeveloped silver halide crystals from the emulsions, and if those crystals are not removed, the image will be dark, and it is no use of diagnostic. So this is the purpose of fixers. Now there are 4 components in the fixer. First is clearing agent. So the clearing agent we use hypo. And what clearing agent we use? We use ammonium thiosulfate. This is the clearing agent we use. It is ammonium thiosulfate. What does it do? It will dissolve all the unexposed silver halide grains. So what it will do? It will dissolve exposed silver halide. So it will expose it will dissolve unexposed silver halide. So this is the function of clearing agent. It will form a stable water soluble complex with the silver ion. But we don't have to do excessive fixing. If we will do excessive fixing, what will happen? Those silver grains, now it will dissolve. So we don't have to do excessive fixing. Okay, then the second component of the fixer is acidifiers. This is the second component of the fixer, acidifiers. Now, as we seen in developer, we use activator and the pH of it is around 10. So we are using alkaline pH, but fixer we are using acidic pH. So that is why it is necessary to rinse the film, so that we can wash these activators. We can wash this activator so that it will not neutralize the acid from the fixer. So this is the acid we are using. So what acid we are using? We are using acetic acid, and the pH, it is important. The pH is 4 to 4.5. What does it do? What does it do to the film? First, it will promote a good diffusion of thiosulfate into the emulsion. This thiosulfate we are using. So it acidifies. What it will do? It will diffuse the thiosulfate into the emulsion and silver thiosulfate complex out of the emulsion. So first entry of the thiosulfate into the emulsion, and it will help to move out the silver thiosulfate complex out of the emulsion. So this is the function of acidifiers. And there is one more function of acidifiers. It will block continued development of any unexposed crystals, because those crystals which are unexposed, they will not develop. So it will block the continued development of those. So this is all about acidifiers. Then comes third component is preservative. What preservatives we use over here? Preservatives we use are sodium sulfite in developer. In fixer we use ammonium sulfite. So you can see sodium sulfite, ammonium sulfite. So what preservatives do? Preservatives will prevent the oxidation of thiosulfides cleaning agent. So we have seen we are using ammonium thiosulfide. So this cleaning agent, it prevents the oxidation of this cleaning agent of sodium thiosulfide. So it will make which is unstable in this acidic environment. Matlab thiosulfide is unstable because of the acidic environment, so it will get oxidized. If we add preservative ammonium sulfide into this, it will prevent the oxidation of this thiosulfide cleaning agent. Okay, then the fourth one is hardener. Hardener, here we use aluminum sulfate. Don't get confused with ammonium sulfite and aluminum sulfate. Both the things are different. So hardener we use is aluminum sulfate. Now what is the function of this? It will reduce the swelling of emulsion during the final wash. Now hardener agent like ammonium sulfide, they complex with gelatin during the fixing, and it prevents the damage of the gelatin. So they harden the film and it reduces the swelling of the emulsion at the final wash. Okay, then these are the component of the fixer. Now if you go to the steps of processing, then the other steps come washing. After after the fixation, we will do washing. What we will do? Washing, we have to put into the water bath. We have to wash it. Why? To remove all those thiosulfate ions and thiosulfate complex. We have to remove all. The important thing is the temperature. The temperature should not be less than 60 degree Fahrenheit. If any silver compound or thiosulfate remain, if you will do improper washing, then it will cause stains. It will cause discolors or stains, and the radiograph will be light. So this is why washing is very important. As we have seen in the previous video, that what preservatives do, in developer, the preservatives will combine with oxidized developer and it will stain the film brown. So if you don't wash it, the film will become brown stains. So that is why washing is very important, because if you not wash properly, then if there is improper washing, there is a discoloration or stains, green stains or brown stains in the film. So this is all about the processing solution step. We have done developer, then after developer we have washed the film, developer replenish, then rinsing the film, then the fixing component, and then last is washing. And one more thing, we also replenish the fixer also, like same as a developer, and the amount is also same, 8 ounce per gallon, and that also we have to do every morning. So we will do quick revision. So in developer, what is important? First, the steps are important. They can ask you steps. These steps are important. Then what is the function of a developer? Did they converts exposed silver halide crystals into the metallic silver grain? This is important. Which is the first electron donor? This is important. What activator we use? Sodium or potassium hydroxide is used. This is important. pH is important. Preservatives, what is preservatives used? Sodium sulfide is used. This is important. What restainers are we used in developer? That is bromide. So this is all about developer. Now they can ask about developer replenish. When will you replenish? Every morning, every day we have to do this. What is the amount? It is 8 ounce per gallon. Then rinsing. Time is important in the rinsing, 30 seconds. Then in fixing, all the components are important. Clearing agent, what do we use? We use ammonium thiosulfide. Acidifiers, at what pH we use acidifiers? 4 to 4.5. What we use as acidifiers? Acetic acid is used. Preservatives, ammonium sulfide is used. Hardener, aluminum sulfate is used. And washing, temperature is important in the washing. So these are the important questions which can be asked from the whole process, from developer, washing, replenish and fixer. Thank you for watching.